Hi guys, so this is the representation of the complete combustion of any organic fuel. Well, basically this is just another way of getting the balanced reaction for our organic fuel as it undergoes complete combustion. Well, of course, you can still go ahead in the usual way of balancing equations. So, ginagamit lang natin to because when we go for stoichiometry for combustion, this could be easy if you have this equation ready. But still, it depends on kung saan ka komportable. So, kung saan yung mukhang mas madali sa inyo, you can always go ahead and use that procedure. But for those who are asking kung paano ba gamitin tong representation natin dito, we will try to solve a problem using this equation para mas makita natin kung paano ba ina-apply tong equation na to. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to solve a problem. Before we proceed sa ating featured video, please make sure that you are subscribed sa ating YouTube channel and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga ipopost naming mga video. Like and share our Facebook page and please join our growing community sa engineers.org. Alright, so ito yung representation natin for complete combustion of any organic fuel. No? So as you can see, yung subscript natin ng ating mga elements sa ating fuel is represented by W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? Then we will use that values dito sa ating equations no, na nakikita natin ngayon. So let us try to solve a problem using this equation. So determine the theoretical moles of oxygen needed for the complete combustion of 0.5 moles of C4H10. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin dito is yung theoretical moles of oxygen needed no, para mag-proceed yung complete combustion natin. Therefore, itong part na tong kailangan natin. So, ilang moles ng oxygen ang kakailanganin natin para magkaroon tayo ng complete combustion ng C4H10. Okay, so let us take out this part of the reaction kasi ito lang naman yung kailangan natin right now in order to solve this problem. Okay, so from this given fuel, yung W natin is equal to 4 and ang X natin is equal to 10. So we don't have value of Y and Z, no? Because ang fuel natin is C4H10, so wala siyang oxygen and sulfur sa ating fuel. No? So let us now apply that to this part of the equation. No? So substitute natin yung values natin. So we have 1/2 times 2 times 4 plus 10 over 2 plus 0 plus 0, O2. Now solving that, we have 1/2, 8 plus 5, O2. Then finally, we have here 13 over 2 ng O2. No? So as I have said earlier, so this is just another way of getting the balance reaction. So if you proceed with the usual way of balancing equation, this is what you will get. So as you can see, pareho lang yung makukuha nating value, okay, para sa stoichiometric relationship natin ng O2 with our fuel. So we'll have 13 over 2. Now to answer our problem here, we need to get the theoretical moles of oxygen needed for the complete combustion. So we have 0.5 moles of C4H10. No? So we need to perform stoichiometry in order to get how much oxygen is needed in order for the reaction to take place in complete combustion. So theoretical O2 is equal to 13 over 2 times 0.5 mole, which is equal to 3.25 moles of oxygen. So ito ang ating final answer. So basically, sa nakita natin, no, so ginamit lang natin tong representation natin in order to get the balance reaction para hindi na po tayo gumawa ng balancing equation for every fuel na nasa given natin. Well, I would like to take this opportunity to invite you sa www.engineers.org. So sa ating website, meron tayong engineering groups and forums tulad ng nakikita ninyo ngayon dito, no? So we have groups for different engineering field, group for engineering students, and also for STEM students. So meron din tayong mga sinishare na ebook sa ating website, no? Well, soon magkakaroon din tayo ng mga online tutorials sa ating website. So ngayon meron na rin tayong ibang mga tutorials or videos sa ating website, pero very limited pa lang. So we will try to create more courses para mas marami tayong panood na learning materials natin, no? Or as references. So for now, ang makikita ninyong courses sa ating website are all for free. So mapapanood ninyo lahat ng references natin doon for free, no? So you can also register for free, and I hope you will join us. Soon magkakaroon din tayo dyan ng mga job listings and chat rooms. So that's all for now. I will see you again in our next articles.